So now we are going to make Keerai Kootu as a main dish. So this is made up with palak, which is a green leafy vegetables, and in this we are going to use the leaf as well as the soft stem. So we are just going to put that in the boiling water, and once we put the palak into the boiling water, we will close the lid, and then the palak or the spinach will be cooked in the steam itself. So we can cover it up with a lid, and that for some time it will be there in that lid, and once it is cooked in the steam, then we will let it cool for some time, and then we'll grind it and make it a fine paste, and then we will put potatoes, boiled potatoes in that, and finally coconut milk in that. So if you want, you can put a little tadka on that, which we will see in a little while from now. And then now this is the final product that we have got it. So now, because it was little cool, so I'm just making it little warm, and now I'm going to add potatoes. So potatoes, I am using the peel in this. So in natural health science, we try to use as much peel as we can for all the vegetables. So only the hard skin vegetables we remove the peel, otherwise we try to keep it. So it's better to buy organic vegetables which one can use it with the skin. So now we are going to mix this with the palak, the boiled potatoes. It was already boiled separately, and we are going to put 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, roasted jeera powder, which I prepared it at home. So you can roast it at home and then make a powder of it, and then you can use it. So it gives a lot of good aroma if you're doing it at home. Just use 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. Let it just absorb the spice which we have just put in, and then we are going to put finally the coconut. And in the coconut, I have put 1 chili along with that. If you don't want to put chili, you can avoid that. And then after switching off the gas, I will put that coconut paste with chili and salt. So then this dish is ready, and you can have this dish either with chapati or you can have it with brown rice. This is a very healthy dish, one can try. My son loves this, and so I can say that children will love this dish. It is simple to make and very healthy and very tasty. So now finally we are going to add this coconut, chili and little bit of curry patta I have used in the Keerai Kootu. And we are going to switch off the gas when we are doing this. Now after switching off the gas, we are going to put this coconut. So this is the thing. Now we are almost at the end of it. Now we are going to add salt as per the taste. So palak has its own taste, so do not add more salt because it has the sodium content. So little bit also is good for this recipe. You can have it with rice or you can have it with chapati. So our Keerai Kootu is ready.